Question 8 asks, the writer is considering revising the preceding part of this sentence at the end of the Golden Lane, as the event was also called, to read as follows, at the end of the parade. So what's going on here is that the author is considering removing this phrase Golden Lane as the event was also called, and instead of having that there, they're going to replace it with just at the end of the parade. Kind of a simpler thing to say without introducing this new phrase, Golden Lane. So let's look at what the central question is. What they're asking is, if the writer did this, so if that was done, the essay would primarily lose. So what's going to be missing from this essay if the author makes that change? F, which is not the correct answer, an indication that Edna Gellhorn preferred the term Golden Lane to the term walkless, talkless parade. And that's really not true at all, because here it had said also called, right? But that doesn't mean that Edna Gellhorn preferred it. They could have said as Edna Gellhorn preferred to call it, but they didn't say that. G, a possible point of confusion as the proposed revision eliminates a term that was not explained. And this is not true either, because in fact it was explained, and it was explained by this phrase, as the event was also called. So it's saying it's an alternate name, and the author or the reader would realize that. H, another historical detail about the parade described in the preceding paragraph. And that's exactly what this is. It's a small historical detail. It's telling us that Golden Lane was another name for it. And finally, answer J, which is also wrong, says details that help establish the time and place of the essay. And there's really nothing about this word Golden Lane that has to do with time or place, and doesn't tell us anything there.